beetle is part of nature. Look, if you kill it, it will not be part of nature anymore. That'll be murder in a beetle. There'll be murder in a beetle. Because beetle's gonna eat something. The beetle's gonna eat something, but not.
And they got tiny jaws.
I know when they bite you.
If they bite you, you can't feel it.
Oh, the beetle's on the move on again. Again. Good boy, so funny. And this beetle eats some insects when he's hungry. This beetle, look at it closely. The beetle. You see it's moving.
Mm-hmm.
It got away. Is that cool?
Mm-hmm.
Because they're strong back legs, dude. Don't. And this beetle.
It's back on the move on.
It's back on the move on again. And Benji couldn't hold it for a little while. Because that beetle is part of nature.
Back legs, and then it's going to lift itself up.
It's going to lift itself up soon. Now it's up. Yeah, see? Nature is good. I know why. Because the trees are part of nature. The plants are part of nature. But these balls right
Let's put it on your shoulder or your head. You want to put it, Mama, on your shoulder or head?
Put it on my
Neither. It'll fall off to the ground.
Put it on my hand.
No, put it on the bottom of the shoe.
See, it fell? Oh, see? It's in there somewhere. It's back on the move on.
It's the grass.
Hey, where is it? Oh, look at this grass. See? It's back on the move on.
Let me get it.
I'm going.
It's gonna be dead.
Got it?
Yes.
Oh.
Yep, he has it.
It's back on the move on again.
See that? Did it lose its legs? It better not be losing its. Oh, good. Because every insect has this many legs.
I can't see that.
6 legs.
Okay.
And insects are good. Like this
But
beetle
some
right there.
insects stung me
Look at it
and my
closely
brother.
again.
Woo! Look at it.